So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just gonna go through some of the things that I've done to the loft, and as you can see there are no more figuritas in here. I did move my West of England's back and my pair of show racers back in here, but all the figuritas are gone. And this loft is going to be mainly for the racing pigeons. I am swapping some of the racing pigeons for other wee things, such as I don't really know what I'm going to swap them for. I'm hoping to get more West of England tumblers. There they are. That's the hen if you're new here. That's a hen, and that's the cockbird. They haven't had eggs yet, which I'm pretty mad about at this moment of time. But anyway, there is a wee bit of good news and a bit of sad news. Good news is, as you can see, I built new nesting boxes for these guys. And I put all my perches up. The other good news is, as you can see, there's the grizzled cockbird. He is paired up to this hen down here, and this hen is sitting on one egg. She's one of those feisty ones, but there's an egg down there, like so. You can trust me on that one. Where is the new blackbird? I got a new bird yesterday. It somehow ended up in my aviary. I left the door open on the aviary, and this is the bird over here. It's actually a really dark checkered hen, but there she is. That's her there with the wee red ring, with the wee red plastic ring on her other foot. She's a 2020 bird. My guess is that someone had her. They let her out for a fly. Well, they probably had her locked up all winter, let her out to fly, and now she just went away from them, and she ended up with me. But anyway, now that's the third blackbird I have. That one over there, that one was acting like a cockbird yesterday, but don't know what it's doing now. I might just pair, because there she is, there she's went into that nest, but I might pair her up to my old dark check cock there, or I might pair it up to just a blue bar and see what I can get off them too. Probably gonna end up being checkers, to be honest, because the darker color always. What the? Alright, a crow just came down and hit the aviary. Right, well anyway, so this is the news over here. As I said, some of these birds will be going, because I actually don't want to keep so many racing pigeons. There's just no point keeping that many racing pigeons, because I'm only gonna start racing them maybe next year or so, not this year. Like I don't have anything set up the proper way, like, so there's no way in hell I'm gonna start racing anything this year. You know, I might say that and then turn around and start racing them, like, but I don't think that's gonna happen this time, like. Now, let's check on this egg. Here she is, see? Why are you being all feisty, like? There's the egg there. Don't wanna get her too mad, because then she might leave the nest, and then I don't want her leaving that nest. I don't know if that's her egg, because those two guys over there, they're paired up, so that's a blue bar cock, and it's paired up to a dark checkered pied hen. And they were in that nesting box last night, so I don't know if she laid that egg or it was her, because they only paired up yesterday, so I don't think there's any way in hell that them two had anything. But as you can see, that hen there is making a nest. So what I need to do is probably go grab a bit of hay or even a bit of straw just to put it in here for them. We don't have too much straw left, so they'll have to do with what I have for them. But anyway, here is the figure eater loft. Here they are. The nice wee birds, like. But I'm probably gonna get rid of all these guys and swap them for. I might swap them for rollers, to be honest with you, because rollers are not that bad. You know, they're all right to, you know, just fly about. I'm looking birds that I can fly, to be honest. Racing pigeons, you know, I can't let them out because they'll just go back to their owner. I'm not gonna let these guys out because a hawk's just gonna come down and take them, like so. That wee baby has a wee bit of a story already. That there wee one has a deformed beak. The top beak is a bit bigger than the bottom, so it's like sideways. It's like here's my finger, and then one beak. Say that there's the top beak. This is the bottom one. It's like slightly over. Let me zoom up on its beak. Look, you can't see it that way, like, but anyway, it was. I seen it. It is a bit deformed, like. But anyway, my figure eaters, as I said, they're probably just gonna go. I'll swap them maybe for rollers or something, I don't know, but I just got rid of my rollers for a good reason, and the reason was they weren't flying as well, so there's no point in me looking them back again. I'll probably end up getting something a bit better. I'm looking birds that I can fly, you know, because I'm allowed to fly them now, so why lock them up, you know, when you're allowed to fly them? Might try and get tumblers or something. But here are the rabbits for the guys. This is just gonna be an update about the pigeons and the rabbits. There's the wee babies there. That's a wee box I built. Well, to be honest, it's not really built, like, but I made a wee girl and a boy sign to take pictures of the babies, and they're going up a shelf. You have some babies over here, but anyway, let's go back into the big loft. There is my show racer pair. That's the cockbird, and that's the hen there. I had to make this wee latch for up here because the birds were pushing it out too much. I have a cockbird that lands up here and tries to, he tried to get out, and he was out like halfway just when I walked out to scare him back in. So that's why I put that up. But I've put that up, what, like it's been like a week or so. But anyway, here are my racing pigeons. So there will be a type of thing that I want to call picking and choosing between birds. I'm waiting for some of them to actually pair up, because I'll probably end up keeping the ones that are paired up. The ones that don't pair up, they'll just end up going. But most of my good coloured ones will be staying, and then the ones I don't really like will be going. Like, I mean, some of these blue bars are gonna go, like there's just no point keeping them back. I'll probably end up keeping, what, like 6 blue bars or so. Aye, maybe 6 of them or so. Well, 3 pairs. I'm only only looking what? I'm only looking to keep around 10 racing pigeons or so. 10 or 14. I'm not looking any more racers than that. I'm looking, with all this money, I'm probably just gonna go and buy some fancier birds. But anyway, I'll let you guys know about the plans that I have. So the plans is that this here is gonna be built into this one is gonna get built into what you call it, a bigger loft. It's not gonna be a kit box anymore because it's gonna be the exact same size as this loft. So I got wood, like the exact same type of OSB stuff, and I'm just gonna take the roof off and build it up higher. So it's gonna be about like this high, so like up here. So it's gonna cover that window like full on. And it's gonna be like a walk-in loft sort of thing. But I'm not. I have metal left from the Avery build, a whole load of metal. So I'll probably put some of it as grills. Here it is. Like, I mean, that there's just plenty enough. Like, I mean, I actually have a whole load of it. I have these here, which I might use as air intakes. Well, not intakes, like, but just as like air wee bits, so they can go in. Some more air can go in. Over the top piece. But that's really it with most of the stuff. So as I say, that one is going to get taller. It's just going to get taller. It's not going to get longer or anything. It's just going to get taller. And then that way I can keep around 30 pigeons in that. And I can keep around 40 in my big loft. But like, I mean, I'm not really looking to keep that many birds, to be honest with you. I have 9 nesting boxes at the minute. So if I make another 9 or so, well, I have 9 nesting boxes over there, and then I have 10, 11, 12 nesting boxes altogether at this moment of time. So 12 and 12 would equal 24. So I'll probably end up counting the birds up. It's just, I'm gonna wait another week or 2 more weeks with some of these birds, because as you can see, there's that hen looking at steal nesting materials, aren't you? Yeah, I knew, because they're making a nest up there. That's the cockbird sitting there, and that's the hen. Hopefully, well, they're definitely gonna make me wee light checkers, like, and what I mean by light checks, they're gonna turn out like that one there. They're gonna be hardly like a checkered sort of thing. They're probably gonna end up being like that. Well, the hen is sort of like a darker check, so I don't really know, but let's go and grab them a bit of hay, because that's the only thing we have, I think. Oh no, we do have straw. Oh, perfect. We need to buy some more straw, to be honest. I'll probably have to say it to my mum, but she probably knows already, like, but got the straw. So, oh, it's actually so hard doing stuff with one hand. Come on. There's all that straw for you guys. You can make nests tonight. Look at this. I actually had a hen once that went and laid an egg on top of the straw pile, and she didn't let anyone take straw off her. This was like way before YouTube, before I started YouTube, like, but yeah. I seen that we did hit 91 subscribers, so I would like to thank everyone for subscribing, and let's try and hit 100. Let's try and hit 100 by the 12th. Is it the 12th of March? No, 12th of April. Yeah. by the 12th of April. Let's try and hit it. It would mean a lot. There's them two. I might pick through some of the birds today, take pictures of them, and just put them up for sale. No joke. I don't need this many birds. There's just way too many in this loft. Well, too many racing pigeons. That's the problem. I don't want too many racers, because you know, might not even race anything. So yeah. Well, anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.